hands down, my most favorite thing about the Elizabeth Furnace Recreational area is this really cool suspension bridge over Passage Creek. I mean, what is not to love with all of that beauty right there? Hey there guys, it's RVA Hiker Girl, and I am out in Northern Virginia at the Elizabeth Furnace Campground, and I've passed by here before, but today I decided to come back and check it out. So I'm camping there tonight. Wait till you see my camping spot. I'm going to tell you which one is the best one that you want to stay at. But for now, we've decided to explore around the Elizabeth Furnace Recreational area. And I've come across some trails. Oh, I'm with Jaybird back there. Came across some trails here, and we're gonna go check out the Pig Iron Trail. And I'm learning all about Elizabeth Furnace, and you're gonna learn as I learn. I have no internet out this way, so I can't look up the history of Elizabeth Furnace. But from what I'm gathering just from reading some stuff around is that Elizabeth Furnace made weapons, I believe, for the Civil War. And so all around this area is just full of great history. And there are markers here on this trail that you can read about the history. So I'm learning as I go along today. But man, it's a beautiful spring day, and can't think of a better place to be. All right, so reading this is talking about Elizabeth Furnace. Elizabeth Furnace was an actual furnace, and it says that it helped with the production of iron. So that makes sense that iron was needed to make weapons for the Civil War, right? So at the next marker here, it was saying during the summer months that 3 tons of pig iron was smelted here daily, and it consisted of iron ore, charcoal for fuel, and limestone to flux or draw out impurities in the iron ore. So this is pretty cool. This is down here, some old ruins, which was the furnace bank, and that's where the trail loops around, and there's the river. Or Passage Creek is what that's called, not a river. This is the official furnace of Elizabeth Furnace, where they melted everything down. This is what's left of it. If you were headed down Fort Valley Road on the way to Signal Knob, that hike, on the way to Woodstock Fire Tower, this is a great place to stop at Elizabeth Furnace. Look at all of the picnic grounds. And that Passage Creek runs right along here. So it's just a big, beautiful spot to stop. And when all the leaves fill in, it's going to be even more beautiful here. This is the entrance to the campground, and it's an honor pay. So you just pick your spot, put your money in an envelope, and you're all set. Restrooms with hot showers are available, but not until May. However, there are vault toilets available 365 days a year, and water that you can pump is also available year-round. All right, guys, so there's 31 campsites at Elizabeth Furnace Campground, and it is self-pay. It is open 365 days of the year, which is different because a lot of these type of campgrounds, closed during the wintertime. So the fact that it's open year round, I absolutely love. And basically it's $10 to camp here. And when you see our campsite, it is out of sight. This is my campsite, campsite number 15. And I have to tell you, it's a tent site, so it's not an RV site. You wouldn't be able to really get down here with an RV because they have it blocked off with rocks. But I think it's the best one here. You've got a fire pit. It's nice and big. I mean, you could get a lot of tents here. And picnic table, tent pad. But look, you're right on Passage Creek. So you've got that right here, but the Cascades are right there. And there's trails all along here. You'll notice people across the river or creek. It looks like a river to me, so I keep calling it a river, but it's Passage Creek. Look, you hear that amazing sound that I get to sleep to tonight? I mean, you can't beat this for a $10 campsite. Look at this trail right at my campsite. Man, if that is not a gorgeous view. And it keeps going. I'm gonna go explore it. Guys, this is literally 50 feet from my campsite. Look at this cascade. I know what I'm doing. I'm coming back this summer. I'm getting some inner tubes, and I am tubing this stretch of water. Would that not be so much fun? And then this little creek right here that's cascading, coming down. I mean, am I going to sleep good tonight or what, listening to this amazing sound? Ugh. I got lucky with this one. I picked a great campsite. Campsite 13 is also by the river, but still a tent site. It just wouldn't be one of my videos unless I shared with you what I was eating. For lunch, I had some peanut butter toast with bananas and chia seeds. And for dinner, I just had some pre-grilled up chicken I made at home with some beans and fresh veggies with some wasabi Dijon dressing. Good morning. Man, it was a great night camping here, and I'm out at a big open area right here. You can see the mountains up behind me. Great area right here. There's horseshoes right here and back over this way, and I believe in another area too. But it's a great place to camp, and I couldn't recommend it more. It's beautiful here. Anyway, guys, I'm headed out to go for a hike nearby. And thanks so much for watching. Hope you'll check out my channel for other places to camp in Virginia, and for sure other places to backpack and hike in the surrounding states. All right, guys, till next time.